Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome to today's video. Today it's going to be a special upgrade video. By now you guys have already seen the car that I'm driving in. I'm in my 15 Q60s, basically G37 coupe, nothing special, just a different name. And yeah, super excited. Got a new exhaust coming for the car. I got a great deal on this Greddy Evolution GT exhaust. So excited to add an exhaust to this car just because I've been wanting a little bit more power out of it, and I got a good enough deal. So by the way, y'all let me know how y'all like the POV look. Might start incorporating this into some videos. Anyways, get ready. So far this car is basically stock. I don't really have anything in it. It's got still in Gen 3 intakes, and then I just got some Z1 accessory mods like the Brakemaster cylinder brace, diff brace. I did the Z1 poly bushings, and I got Z1 subframe collars too. I still need to put in the car, but the car is relatively stock. So again, just decided to have something, get a little more power, obviously make the car sound better. Y'all can hear what it is, like this basically. Oh, that was nasty. Don't judge me too hard for that. See another G over here. Thing's clean. Anyways, y'all, I'll see you guys in a few when we're ready to install. Alright y'all, before we get the car up, I want to go ahead and show you guys the exhaust. So here it is. This is a Greddy Evo GT exhaust for the G37. I got this used off marketplace. I got a great deal on it. And it's just, these were bad. I went ahead. These are gaskets to replace this. Shout out to Z1. So for this, you do need two 2.5 inch gaskets. That's from the cat, the stock cats. I'm keeping those. And then everything else from here back is going to be 3 inch, while we have 3 of these. So if you're wondering why these are copper colored, these are actually copper sprayed. I got recommended to do this by the guys at Z1 for these gaskets. So it's going to help with sealant. And I've heard a lot of engine builders and stuff using this too, so I don't think it's a bad thing. Say goodbye to this factory stock system. We've got one of the best techs in the South Bay, Rohi Kumar. This guy's the best tech? This guy? Okay. All right, so funny story y'all gotta know while we're doing this. So one time, Rohi came with me to pick and pull because I needed to get some heads for my block, right? I was having trouble getting this head off. It ended up being this stupid 10mm bolt. All you VG guys know about it. Anyways, so I forgot I was already going through shit, and he got off in like 5 seconds, and I was like, oh my god, this is so great. You're the best tech ever. And then this other guy walks by us, this like older Mexican dude. He just like dogs it. He's like, oh, this guy right here? Oh, he's the best? Okay. And walks off hella mad, bro. Just look how the stock white pipe is compared to that. Crazy. Already got this shit almost done. Alright y'all, we're already basically almost done. Like I said, bro, he is amazing at what he does. You need some side work done out here in San Jose for your VQ, your Z, anything, tap in. I got you. And thanks to movie magic, basically complete. Best tech in the world. There she is. Install is complete. I'm gonna get you a cold start. Oh, how nice that looks. I love it. Just opens up so much room in the bottom.